So welcome back. So in today's session, we'll learn about the in keyword in Python. So let's get started. We can use this in keyword against any type of these iterables. So let's say iterables like list, we can use in tuples, or we can use in set, or we can use in string. So let's say we have a list, my list, and let's say it's equal to learn with Pratap. And let's say we have a set, my set equal to same thing, learn with Pratap, and also the same thing for my tuple. And as you know, a tuple should be inside a round bracket. So let's say we have a list, we have a set, and we have a my tuple. And in Python, we can use this in keyword to check if something is inside this list or inside this set or inside this tuple. So using this in keyword, we can check if the item is present in the list or in the set or in the tuple. For example, let's say we can do print learn in my list, and let's run this code. So you can see we get true. Or let's say here Mumbai, and let's check. So in this case we get false. So here should be learn, and here we'll say my set, and we'll do the same again for my tuple, and let's check. So you can see we have learned in each of them. We have in the list, we have in the set, we have in the tuple. So that's why we're getting true, true, true. So how does this in keyword works? So basically it will take this and it will go and check if this element is present in the list or not, if this is present in the set or not, if this is present in the my tuple or not. So if this is present, then it will return true, else it will return false. Let's say here I can say hey. Since hey is not present in tuple, then we should get false. We can also use this in keyword for a string. Let's say my name equal to Pratap. I can say print ap in Pratap. So if you run this, we'll get true. Let me comment all this so that you'll get the clear picture. So in this case, we get true. But if I say here pap, so we get false, because it is checking for the substring. So it will go and search pap in this string. So we don't have any substring pap here. So in this case, it will not give result. So if I say tap, then in this case it will work because we have a substring of tap in this Pratap. Okay. But if I say pra, this will not be true because this p is in lowercase and this p is in uppercase. So Python uses this character as different characters. So it is case sensitive. So we'll learn more about in keyword with if statements. So see you in another section.